a long race. Charlie's on the street with a smile so bright. He brings a little peace in the middle of the fight. Politicians talk but they don't hear our cries. They keep pushing us down while they wear their disguise. But Charlie stays strong, he won't lose his mind. He's the voice for the voiceless, a soul so kind. I am Charly Foundation. I feel the ganja vibration. We live in an ugly nation. We're Charly Foundation. The world is full of struggles, the rich get rich, but Charlie keeps it humble, he don't flip the switch. He rolls his split, take a puff, let it flow. In the rhythm of the music, that's where we grow. The system's broken and the people still fight, but Charlie's heart's open, shines so bright. He spreads the love and the good vibes rise. In the heart of the people, there's no disguise. I am Charly Foundation. I feel the ganja vibration. We live in an ugly nation. We're Charly Foundation. From the mountains to the sea, we share together. Charlie leads the way, we stand strong forever. In this life we find the truth.